If you want to make your Facebook post shareable so that your friends and others can easily share it with their own networks, you've come to the right place. We're here to guide you through the simple steps to ensure your post reaches as many people as possible. Let's dive in. To get started, open up the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the section that says, "Write something here," or "What's on your mind?" This is where you'll create your post. Now, go ahead and click on that area. A new window will pop up, allowing you to type in your thoughts or content. Write whatever you want to share, be it a status update, a photo, or a video. Once you've crafted your post, look up at the top of the window. You'll notice an option that typically defaults to Friends. This setting determines who can see your post. Click on that option to open a menu where you can choose your audience. Now, select the Public option. By choosing Public, you're allowing anyone on Facebook to see your post, which also makes it shareable by anyone who views it. After you've made your selection, click on Done. With that set, you're ready to share. Hit the Share button, and your post will go live. Now, it's not only visible to your friends, but also to anyone who visits your profile or sees your post in their news feed. Don't forget to hit that like button, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful tips.